Welcome, guys, to Australia. Land down under.
They're looking for the southern magnolia, having great fun.
You're not even
Listen
filming.
up, listen up. The southern magnolia is a very delicate creature of nature. It really brings out the best in all of us, and it's very good for the healing devices. Bird calling is my forte, so to speak.
Oh my.
So basically, we've been living on this island for over 16 years. Now, if you think about it, I'm 14.
Southern magnolia.
Yes, the southern magnolia, the flower. It really,
From God.
yeah, it provides all you need. It has, if you eat it, it gives you water, H2O. It's a delicate but beautiful creature, and it has provided us with, as I said, water, food, and good smelling breath.
Let's get it, Joe.
As you can see, this is the natural adaptation. See, I studied this for 15 years. And basically this states that the world is 10 trillion billion quadzillion years old, and it took this long to form. See, the earth started from one drop of water. It started from one drop of water, and then it slowly developed like our cells in our bodies. The cells then developed into humans, and the humans made more water with the spit. That is all the spit. The world water is all spit.